Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete specific autofill entries in Chrome, including passwords, addresses, and credit cards. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can manage all aspects of your browser, including the autofill data we're about to clean up. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores all your saved login credentials, payment information, and contact details that auto-populate when you're filling out forms online. Let's start by deleting specific passwords. Click on Google Password Manager to access all your saved login credentials. This opens a comprehensive list of every website and app where you've saved username and password combinations. Scroll through the list and find the specific password entry you want to remove. Once you've located it, click on that entry to open its details. You'll now see a delete button. Click delete and Chrome will immediately remove that password from your saved credentials. This is useful when you've changed a password elsewhere or no longer use a particular account. Now, let's move on to removing saved payment methods. Go back to the previous menu and click on Payments. This section displays all your saved credit cards and payment information that Chrome uses to speed up online checkouts. Find the specific card you want to delete from the list. Next to each card entry, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots beside the card you want to remove, and from the small menu that appears, click Delete. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you really want to remove this payment method. Simply click Delete again to confirm your choice. Finally, let's remove saved addresses from your autofill data. Go back once more, and this time click on Contact Info. Here you'll find all the addresses you've saved in Chrome for quick form filling. Locate the specific address you want to remove from your browser. Just like with the payment methods, you'll see 3 dots next to each address entry. Click those 3 dots beside the address you want to delete, and select Remove from Chrome. A confirmation message will appear asking you to verify this action. Click Remove to finalize the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your Chrome autofill entries, removing unwanted passwords, payment methods, and addresses. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.